Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's JD with another What Did You Buy Wednesday, number 18. Coming to you from my very warm 100 degree garage today. Haven't used a tripod because one of the goodies I got is a big one. First of all, we have some shop cards. We have John from the amateur scale model builds. Sent me this really cool car, great taste. I used to have a Camaro myself, not a 69. I used to have a 72 Rally Sport. I missed that car. I had to get rid of it when my ex and I split up. And we also have a shop card from Monty. I don't know if you can see that or not. The light usually sucks on this side. Monty's got a great channel. We swap shop cards. I've had these for a little while. It's been busy and whatever. I'm also, one of the things I got was, seems like everybody else this past week or two, I got some of the, trying to find some light, the Fusion Firm Ultra Shining Fluid Silver Foil paint. I painted a brush, or I painted with the brush that comes in the kit, and I also airbrushed 2 spoons. I took the brush painted spoon and the other spoon that I airbrushed to my modeling club meeting on Sunday. They weren't quite dry yet, so they got a little messed up. So this one has still been sitting here. I haven't touched it. I'm thinking about using, after this is dried for a few days, of taking it and putting the clear on it. Dan from the 60s Rule channel, he did a test of these, spraying it and brush painting it, and the brush painting comes out really cool. When I brush painted mine, I did a little too much and it pooled around the end of the spoon, but the airbrushing part, this is like maybe one coat, maybe a couple of coats. I got mine because Barbados Rex said it was a really, how great it was. He brush painted a bunch of small pieces with it, and that's what I'd really hope to do with it. Maybe not spray it so much, but brush painting with a good brush, a detail brush, and doing things like door handles and small stuff that you can't spray. And maybe it's better than a Molotow pen. I don't think I've ever used a Molotow pen myself. The other thing I got, the reason we're using the tripod today, is that one of the guys in my modeling club was getting rid of some of his model kits, and he decided to get rid of this bad boy. It's a 1/72nd scale AMT North American XB7A Valkyrie, and I've never heard of this plane. I just thought it was really cool looking, and but I did some research on it. This was a pretty badass bomber. Mach 3, big heavy bastard. I was watching some videos, and the late Boyd Compton built this kit. He did a really nice job of it. Of course, anything Boyd built, if you remember Boyd, anything he touched, he made turn to gold. So I don't know when I'm going to build this, but watching all the videos for it, I really like to get to it sometime soon. Unfortunately, I have to find some place to put the thing once it's built. Kind of like my Bandai Perfect Grade Millennium Falcon. I have no idea what I would do with that when I get it done. So that's it for now. Work still continues on the Datsun. I did. See, it's pretty shiny. I gotta spray some clear on it. I still need to paint the hood black, and I may, instead of decaling over the flat black, I will probably spray the clear after I paint the flat black so the decals don't silver, and then we can maybe mask it off again after and paint the a semi-gloss or a flat clear over the hood. And that's all of it for now. I hope everybody has a great rest of the week and has a safe 4th of July. My ex-wife is very happy because she found out her company met or exceeded, I can't remember which, their sales goals. She works for an office furniture company, and so they're giving her tomorrow, Friday, off. She works Monday through Friday, so she's going to have a 4-day weekend, and she's very happy, which hopefully will keep her out of my hair. But I hope everybody has a great rest of the week. We will talk to you later. Bye-bye.